All right, what we got here? There's a little note here. It's from a regular customer. And we got some side feed, some old Jex Nissan injectors. All right. What do we got in here? All right, some paperwork we got. All right, some individually packed with some paper towels here. What's inside? Oily. Okay, so these are some Optimax air injectors. Wow, what the heck's leaking from it that's causing that? I guess there's some fuel and air in here. Yep. That's what we got. Okay. All right, this is a oil-soaked box here. One that we had sent out, so I don't know what the story is with them. But looks like it's for some cleaning and flow testing. These should be Optimax air injectors. A quantity of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and there is a 7th one, but there's 1 blue and 6 black. 1 blue, 6 black. This is another, I guess, repeat customer. The old shop towel for packing. All right, there's 4 injectors. Look like some newer Nissan. And we got paperwork. Alrighty. Okay, this looks like return of sorts here. Okay, cold start injector. Jesus Christ, what the hell? Okay. There's in a paper, look at this. Injector sticking out the edge. Why would you not use something padded? I don't get it, but okay. One single injector, okay? Website clearly states that you need a minimum of 2, and this guy literally sent in probably one of the most expensive injectors in a not padded paper envelope. Well, I guess this guy's getting a call telling him he's got to pay additional. All right. Now, look how nice this is. Look, they got outside of the box, skip the line, the invoice number, so we know exactly whose this is. Good stuff here. Paperwork's included inside. Nicely packed. Wow, really a lot of packing in here. What do we got? Even labeled. All right, Optimax air injectors. I guess these are the fuel. Optimax fuel. They even numbered them that way. All right. All right, this one is, they used UPS to send it. And I don't know. I guess we had sent this out at some point to someone before. Must have done other ones for them or something. They're sending these in. 433. Okay. Some GDI injectors here. Big box. Seems pretty light. Alright, so there's paperwork in there. Okay. Alright. 4 little injectors. Injector dynamics. Alright, this one looks like it was originally our packaging. There's paperwork. Some Yamaha 150 horsepower. These are very common this time of year. They're going to start coming in like crazy with boating season coming up. Alright. This one, I don't know why people flip a box inside out for priority mail, but then ship it priority mail. I'll never understand that. Okay, some Optimax air and fuel injectors. I see some paperwork in here. Let's see. Huh. We have some of our old packaging. I don't know who this is. I can take a look and see, but a lot of times we get repeat customers or marinas that send these in. This doesn't really say who this is. It does have an order number though. But yeah, not uncommon to see our own packaging come back, our own, bags that we use. This one is heavy, real heavy, marked fragile. All right, there's paperwork. Paperwork shows, yep, it is for some N54 injectors. That's some really nice packaging this person did. See, they actually took care of, making sure they packed it up real nice. Looks like we got 6 of them in there. Looks like they are index 12. They appear to be legit from quick glance. All right. Paperwork, email. Okay. Well, this was a guy who was having a problem after installing them for a while. They were leaking after he used them for a couple months, so he sent them back for us to take a look at. That's what they are. There we got some bubble wrap. Paperwork's in there. What the heck are these here? Paper. Oh, some good old GM injectors.